One person died in a road accident that took place last night at Yaripok, Vishnunaha, Mayailekai. Reportedly, the accident happened when a Maruti 800, the deceased, was driving, collided with an Alto car. The Deputy Commissioner of Assam, Sonitpur, Manvendra Pratap Singh, flagged off a walkathon under Saksham 2020 as per media reports. Saksham 2020, a one-month-long mega campaign, is a flagship program of PCRA and all public sector undertakings under the guidance of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Nearly 2 months after it was cleared by both houses of parliament, the amended citizenship law is set to emerge as a new battleground during the ongoing budget session, at least at the Rajya Sabha media reports informed. Helping Hand Kanglei Park and Ukhrul District Bodybuilders Association distributed edible items yesterday to Centre School of Ukhrul. Items were distributed to around 300 villagers of Ukhrul district. 5-day Thangta Training Camp 2020 opened yesterday at Ngaikhong Khunau Community Hall, Bishnupur. The opening of the training camp was attended by Pradhan of Kainau Gram Sabha, NG Sobhana Devi, President of Little Flower Club Ngaikhong Khunau P. Shanti Singh, President of Wal Thangta Federation Huidrom Prem Kumar, and other dignitaries.